big to me. It's an American Girl doll.
That looks like the bottom of the box.
Yes. Yeah, that'll be a little easier to open. You need a hand?
Yeah.
Here, let's just do this. There you go.
Hey!
What?
Why'd you do that?
What, you don't like it?
Why'd you put my toothbrush, my Jenny, my Belle doll, my Opalina, and a baby toy in here?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? We got you new ones.
No, those are her favorite things. I thought she'd really like it.
They're not my favorite. This baby thing is not my favorite.
What is that thing? Show me.
I don't know. It's a monster or something. And I hate my toothbrush.
Camille, you're not being very grateful.
Well, what I really love is my Jenny.
Can you stop yelling?
So happy birthday! You
Happy
get your
birthday,
Jenny.
Camille.
Why'd
get
you
your
make
Jenny
this?
You seem sad.
I don't think she's sad.
I'm
No?
surprised that you did all this sets of stuff I already have.
April Fools?
You're not supposed to do presents, April Fools,
Why not?
because that's not how you do it.
No? I don't know. I think that's how we do it from now on.
No. No. Did you guys just make this?
This afternoon when you were at lunch.
I'm enjoying watching this happening in the sidebar. You have the Joker over in the corner eating. Well, happy birthday anyway, Camille. I hope you like it. I hope you like having all your stuff back.
I had it for all my life.
Now
I don't want to keep
Now you get to have it until your next birthday when we give it to you again.
Hey, do you want some real presents?
Yeah.